Welcome. If you've noticed the new Facebook update and you're wondering how to stop people from viewing and leaving reviews on your page, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn off that feature using your PC. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage your account and page controls. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll until you find the section called Page and Tagging. Go ahead and click on it. This section controls how people interact with your page, including reviews and visibility. Once you're inside Page and Tagging, look for the option that says Allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. This is the setting responsible for reviews. To prevent people from posting or seeing reviews, simply disable this option. It usually appears as a toggle button, so click it to turn it off. After you've done that, your changes are saved automatically. From now on, visitors won't be able to leave reviews, and existing review visibility will be restricted based on your settings. That's all it takes. It's a simple process, but it gives you more control over how your page is presented and how people interact with it. If this helped you, make sure to check your other page settings as well, since Facebook updates can sometimes change how things are organized.